Давай учить английский вместе. Как сказать «У меня температура и озноб»? I have a fever and chills. I have a fever and chills. Какая температура? What's your temperature? What's your temperature? У меня насморк и заложенный нос. I have a runny and a stuffy nose. I have a runny and a stuffy nose. У вас есть аллергия? Do you have allergies? Do you have allergies? У меня сильный кашель, который не проходит. I have a bad cough that won't stop. I have a bad cough that won't stop. Как давно у вас кашель? How long have you had the cough? How long have you had the cough? У меня сухой кашель. My cough is dry. My cough is dry. Хорошо, мы послушаем легкие. Okay, we will listen to your lungs. Okay, we will listen to your lungs. Давай учить английский вместе.